Today I'm going to be reviewing this 4-piece set of these claw clips. I like to say thank you to the company for sending these out for review, so let's go ahead and check them out. So today I'm going to be showing you each individual claw clip. As you could see, this is what they look like. It is kind of a unique style than the claw clips that I've received in the past. These are so nice. I like how sturdy they are. So as you could see, they are not flimsy. I'm going to go ahead and use both hands. They are actually very strong, so this is perfect, especially if you have thicker hair. These are great, especially if you're on the go, if you're on the run, if you're trying to do a quick, let's go pick up your hair. These are definitely nice to have. I'm going to go ahead and give you a closer look at that claw clip. Take a look. This is what it looks like. This one's more of a shiny feel. This is what the back piece looks like. Let me go ahead and show you the other ones. This one right here is a matte feel. This one is the Tortoise style. They're actually all the Tortoise style clips, but this one right here is more of a matte feel. This one is a matte look. This is a lighter color, so you do get several options, especially different colors depending on what you're wearing, your outfit of the day. But take a look. This one is a lighter color. Then we have this one. It's kind of an in-between color, and again, this one is shiny, so you get 3 shiny ones and a matte one, but they all have different colors, and again, they do have a strong grip. Take a look. They open pretty wide. Take a look. The one clip holds my whole hair. Super easy to use. Once you're done, just let it go. But as you can see, they open wide. They grab a lot of your hair. So if you've been on the lookout for affordable, good quality claw clips, then definitely check these out. I'm going to go ahead and link them down below for you so you can check them out for yourself. And also make sure to like and follow for more video reviews.